To take a screenshot of this page, I'm going to start by pulling up my snipping tool. I'm going to go down to the magnifying glass and click. Then I'm going to start to type in snipping, which is S-N-I-P-P, and there it is. I'm going to click on that. Then from this menu, I'm going to click on the word new. And now I'm going to use this plus sign and my touchpad or my mouse to click and drag over the area that I want to take a picture of. Now I need to save that picture to my computer. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to put this on my desktop. I don't want to keep it, so I'm just going to put it on the desktop so I know where it's at. So I click on Desktop. I'm going to change the name to Cindy, and then I'm going to click Save.